Bienvenue les amis and welcome back. I'm really glad to have you during today's session and I hope you enjoyed the video which was attached in the previous slide, which was about the three girls, all three of them talking in French, but the pronunciation quite different, right? All three of them speaking in French, but the pronunciation slightly different. And sometimes even the word used in the other by the other girls was completely different. So that the attention that I want to bring you during today's session. The same goes with French as well. In French, we also use the same 26 letters used in English are also used in French. But some small changes are there. There are 2 points that I wanted to bring to your attention. First of all, is about the accent. You might see those small lines going from up to down horizontally and all, some like looking like some Japanese hats. We call them accent circonflexe. Accent aigu is the one which goes from top right to bottom left. Accent grave goes from top left to bottom right. And the Chinese art is called accent circonflexe. We also have the cédille. In English it's called the cédia, which usually is under the C and makes the C being pronounced S. Instead of K, it's pronounced S. Okay? So it will be specific for A, O, U, where we put those cédia. So back in the main point I was talking about first, accent. And the second point, which is the first point, accent, specific to a certain letter, which changes the way it's pronounced. And the second point is about the way we combine letters. Sometimes we might see 2, 3 vowels or letters combined together, and which sometimes produce a different sound, which is sometimes difficult for non-French speaking people to understand, and most of all to pronounce. They might be struggling and just stand and say that's I want now onwards to make you feel comfortable about those combinations. Okay, so for today's class I'll first go through the pronunciation of each letter so you feel comfortable about it, and also small combination. I'll just use those names which I gave you to select, which will be your French names. I just go to the list so you may enjoy. But by the end of the video, it will be your task as well to record yourself and pronounce each letter. Okay? For the moment, you just enjoy it. Okay? Let's start. For A, in English we have A. In French we call it A. B in French is called B. Look attentively to my mouth and the way I pronounce those sounds. It will help you as well. Make the same exercise when you pronounce those sounds as well. A is pronounced A. Just move a little bit forward so you can have a look at the way I use my mouth. A, A. A, A. B, B. C, C. D, D. E, E. F, F. G. Sorry. G, G. H, H. I, E. There is a little bit of change from E and I. And the next one is J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, 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 V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. So that's how you pronounce the 26 letters in French. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I'll leave you with a song in such a way that you can be familiar with that. It's quite similar to the one in French, but you need to get used to it and pronounce it now. It's similar to the one in English, and now you need to get used to it in the way you pronounce it in French. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So you can practice this song as well. Just play back in case you couldn't understand, couldn't hear properly the way those sounds are pronounced. But do your best to hear and repeat the same as well to be able to pronounce it. So I'll quickly go through the names which I have given you in such a way that now you will be able to pronounce it. Okay? So for A, we have Adam. For boys, we have Adam, Alain, Armand. For girls, we have Adeline, Anita, Angeline. B, we have Bernard, Benjamin, Bernard. Oh, Bernard has been repeated. Bélange, Brigitte, Becky. Becky is short for Rebecca. Cédric, for C, we have Cédric, Charles, Crito. For girls, we have Céline, Charlotte, Caline. D, we have Daniel, Donatien, Dominique. Pour les filles, girls, we have Daniel, Dora, Dorcas. E, we have Edouard, Emmanuel, Émile. Eliane, Emma, Émilie. F, François, Frédéric, Faustin. Françoise, which is female for it. Fanny, Faustine, female for Faustin. G, Gaston, Gérard, Georges. Gina, Geneviève, Georgine. H, we have Henri, Hubert, Hector. Hélène, Hortense, Héloïse. I, we have Ildefonse, Igor, Idriss, Isabelle, Hélène, Yvonne. J, we have Joseph, Julien, Jérémie, Joséphine, Julienne, Jacqueline. H, we have, K, we have Kennedy, Kaya, Kabel. And we have Karine, Ketia, and Kimberly. Kimberly. In English you pronounce Kimberly, but in French, Kimberly. L, we have Léon, Lionel, Lambert, Liliane, Lisa, Lorraine. M, we have Mathieu, Martin, Merlin, and Monique, Marthe, Lorraine. Marthe and Martine, which are just short form. For N, we have Nathan, Nestor, Norbert, and Nelly, Nathalie, Nicole. O, Olivier, Odon, Odilon, Olivia, Obélia, Odeline. P, we have Pascal, Pierre, Paul, Patricia, Priscilla, Pauline. Q, Quentin, Quincy, Quincy. Keren, Quincy, Quintilla. R. Robert, Richard, René, Roberta, Rosaline, Ruth. S. Serge, Simon, Sylvain et Suzanne, Simone, Séphora. Hugor, Ulrich, Urbain, Ulrich, Urbain, Uriel, Ulysse, Ursula. Valerine, Valerie, Valentin, Victor, that's for V, and Valerie, Valence, Vedruna. For W, we have William, Wilfred, and Warren, and Winnie, Wendy, Whitney. X, we have Xavier, Xander, Xara, Xaria, Zanti, Zaverine, Zena. Y, we have Yannick, Yosen, Yves, Yolande, Yuri, Yvonne. Z, we have Zatin, Zoé, Zachary, et Zelda, Zoe, and Zena. These are the names which were given for you. You can just work on it. First of all, during your recording, record yourself pronouncing the 26 letters in French with the French pronunciation. Then at the end, you work on pronouncing your own name. Better start with your own name. From the names that I've just mentioned, you just mention your name. Then you also work on the pronunciation of each one of the 26 letters. So you work on it, and there are a few questions, maybe some you also can mention about the sounds that you couldn't pronounce properly, or any word or any names from the list itself which you found difficult to pronounce. So we can get back to it. We get back to you. For meanwhile, take care and stay safe. Au revoir.